What's up? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get my full coverage slay and beat. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see how I got all of this beautifulness, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's start off with the Sassy Sienna's palette from Dose of Colors. I'm going to be starting off with the color Bossy, and we're going to be using that on a blending brush, and I'm going to be blending windshield wiper motions right into the crease, you know, just going back and forth, really trying to get into that inner corner and that outer corner as well. You guys, these eyeshadows are so pigmented. I cannot believe how pigmented they are, and they're so amazing, but you want to focus really on the outer corner, and then we're going to be starting to use this color as our transition color. We will go ahead and layer on some other dark shades. But overall, guys, I wanted to give you guys a really nice Valentine's Day look that you guys can get inspired by, and I wanted to keep it really, really matte. And don't be afraid to use this transition color all the way up, because we will go in with a little bit of a darker shade, which is Foxy right here. And I'm going to be using that on a blending brush, and we're going to start by putting this color lower than our transition and putting it into the outer corner, and then blending it into the crease, but a little bit lower than normal. The reason why I want to go really, lower with this color is because I really want that nice gradient, and I don't want it to look unblended and harsh. And you just want to sweep a little bit of that color into the crease. And then now we're going to be cutting the crease. You guys see me do this a lot of time, guys, so you don't really need a in-depth tutorial on this one. You guys know I love to do, a lot of cut creases. So after we have that cut crease already set, we're going to be going in with Oh So Sassy. That's that peachy color that's on my eyelid. It's so pigmented, guys, and it's so beautiful, and it's so perfect for Valentine's Day. And I just want to pack this color onto my lid, and you guys, it's so beautiful. And you guys really want to make sure that you get really precise with it, and you guys go right up to that crease, just so that way it looks very, very sharp and cut. Now we're going to be taking that color Foxy and the brassy color. It's like a really brick red kind of color with a little bit of brown into it, so that's why I'm mixing those two shades just to get that really perfect shade. I do not want this eye look to look like a dark clubbing makeup look. I really wanted it to just be full glam, but really perfect for Valentine's Day. So that's why now we're going to be going right in with some gel liner, and this one is from Sigma Beauty. You guys can use my coupon code makeupbyjuniior. I will have that code listed down in the description box, so you guys can save a little bit money off of any Sigma products. Now we're going to be going in with some Lilly Lashes in Miami, but these ones are the So Extra Miami. Lilly Lashes came out with some more dramatic of all of her popular shades, not shades, but all of her popular eyelashes that are best sellers. She came out with a dramatic line for each individual one, so I'm trying these ones out. I really do like the normal Miami a lot better than these ones, but these ones will do for now, and they're so fluffy and so pretty, but they're just really nice as well. And I just feel like this takes our makeup game to the next level, guys. And then from here, we're just going to start off, and we are going to be letting that that lash glue really set in, and we're going to be just blending our naturals with our falsies. Alright guys, what's up? So I wanted to give you guys a full coverage glam that you could do. And then so now we're going to jump in right in with this Nars foundation, and I'm in the shade Aruba, if you guys can see right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dot it just like this. Mama. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go in with my sponge from Morphe and gonna start blending this in. I really love this sponge, guys. I like it better than the Beauty Blender, and I also like it better than the Real Techniques. I actually like to keep less product on my forehead just because I don't like it to kick up there. It just looks really horrible because that is one of my problematic areas. So I do not like to put a lot of product there just because I tend to get more oily and it just starts to look not so good. Alright guys, so just like that, this is how much coverage I do love to go in with. So I have two shades. They are both new. These are the Tarte Shape Tape Concealers. So I'm going to start with the medium shade. And I'm going to go right underneath my eye. As you guys can see, look, this one is the medium. And it's like a perfect highlight shade. So I like to go in an upside down triangle. You guys, I like this full coverage. Remember, this channel almost all the time will never be, you know, like that light coverage kind of thing. So sorry. Ew, you farted. So we're gonna just highlight all the key points that we always do. Alright guys, so now let's go ahead and blend that out with our beauty sponge. This one is the Morphe one. You guys, I like to bring up my concealer all the way up just because then it will look a little bit off. I don't like that kind of look. Alright, so just like this. So now for the last step, what I'm going to do is I am going to look up, blend out all of those creases, and then go right into that powder and start setting. And so after I go really deep into there, guys, I'm going to be taking this brush. This is the Morphe E49. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set everything else. I just really don't like to use the brush in the inner corner. I just find that it really leaves the brush strokes there. And I really don't like that at all. And you guys, I really do not like to bake anymore. I haven't been doing it for a while now. So I just been doing that, and then I'll go right in after that and start dusting the excess powder away. Just like that. And you guys see how really nice that looks. So now that all of my face is set, I'm going to be going in under my lower lash line. I'm going to be doing the same thing that I did to my eyes. I'm going to add that peachy color on the lower lash line in the more inner corner. And then what I'm going to do for the outer corner, I'm going to do the same color that I use. And so I'm going to grab this shade right here. We're going to start on our lower lash line. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab that peachy shade right here. We're going to be putting that into the inner corners. And then what we're going to be doing is popping a little bit of Artist Couture. This is the collab with Jackie Aina. This is La Peach. Just like that, we're going to be popping it into the inner corner of the eyes. I just really want to see how it's going to really react to all of this look. I think it looks really good. I'm gonna try to put a little bit on my brow bone, just right there. Just to give us a little moment. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I'm going to just go ahead and put my nude waterline pencil. That one is the Inglot in 05. It's the kohl pencil. It's just a creamy, really nude color. It's going to open up the eyes a lot. And then I'm going to put some lower mascara, and then we'll jump back on camera and we will bronze up and actually do the actual highlight and everything else. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start bronzing up. I'm going to be taking my Morphe R14. I have some Hoola Benefit by bronzer. What the hell? I have Hoola by Benefit. So this is a bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzers. I'm just gonna add this one to add some warmth back into the skin and bring back some dimension. Because Lord knows I need the dimension. Alright guys, so after we bronzed up just a tad bit, I'll just bring it down our neck as well, just a little bit, just so that way it doesn't look too crazy. And so then we're going to just dust all of this powder away. And I'm going to be taking my MAC Give Me Sun, which looks like that. You guys already know I use this a lot. I really like this one because it's so orangey. So then now I'm going to be going in with this blush. This one is California. That one is from Benefit as well. I'm just adding a little bit on the cheeks, just like so. Alright, so let's move on to highlighting, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be covering my eyes just like this. Just like that. And then we're going to be taking the Artist Couture, which looks like this. So beautiful, guys. And we're going to be using that to highlight the face. But first I'm going to be using my Mara Badescu. This is the cucumber one. And I'm just going to be taking my R brush and just spraying it, because this one is a loose pigment, going right on that cheekbone, and look at how beautiful that is already. Like, I cannot. Just like that, you guys, and look how gorgeous that shit looks. Like, wow. The shade is what I love the most. Like, look at that. Whoa. So I'm gonna blend that shit out because I do want a little bit on there, but not too much. I'm gonna go around the whole face. You guys, just like this, it looks so good. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna end up using my favorite lip combo that I always do. Sorry. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I was gonna do, you know, some like gloss, but I always do that, so I just wanted to keep it just like this. Alright guys, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you guys haven't already. Become part of my family. All you got to do is hit that notification bell and that subscribe button so that way you know every single time I upload. And please, if you guys have any video requests, please let me know down in the description box or the comment box, whatever it's called. Let me know down in that bar. And you guys, I just love you guys so much. Thank you guys for all the constant love and support. I love you guys just so much, guys. I really do love you guys so much. And I just want to say thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Deuces.